Do you ever feel like you're losing the battle against sleepiness during work hours? You're not alone. But what if I told you there are simple tricks you can use to turn that afternoon slump into a productivity powerhouse? It's true. And we're going to share 7 of them with you right now. From quick and easy exercises to powerful mental hacks, we've got you covered. So stay tuned and get ready to conquer your day. And did we mention it's going to be fun too? Let's dive in. First up, quick drinks and snacks. When your body is dehydrated or low on blood sugar, it's easy to feel sluggish and off your game. Keep a water bottle at your desk and sip on it throughout the day. For a quick energy boost, try a snack with a little protein and healthy fat like a handful of nuts or Greek yogurt. Next, move your body. Exercise can help you feel more alert and awake. Even a few minutes of movement can make a difference. Try standing up from your desk, stretching, or walking in place. And don't forget the power of music. Upbeat tunes can help you focus and be more productive.